Hello everyone, welcome to our new tips and tricks video. My name is Larissa and I am with our Evolve 365 team at Planet Technologies. Today we're going to show you how to use Microsoft 365 Copilot to find urgent emails and then create a to-do list from those emails. So first we're going to start from the Microsoft 365 homepage. Across the left-hand side, we should be able to find Copilot listed here in the middle. And once you click on that, your Copilot chat should populate. So now all we have to do is ask Copilot to find our urgent emails. And I will send that off. So maybe you have been out of the office or simply receive a high volume of emails every day. It's really easy to simply ask Copilot to help you get caught up. It will provide a list of the emails and a link to them with a summary of what you missed so that you can quickly get back on track. So once Copilot has finished populating the emails that seem urgent in your inbox, we are going to take that list and ask Copilot to make a to-do list for us. So we'll simply say, create a to-do list from my urgent emails. We'll send that off and Copilot will then go through your urgent emails, create a to-do list for you so that you can jump right into the most important things in your day. There you have it. That is a quick and easy way to manage your tasks using Copilot Chat. Remember, you can always use Copilot to help you with other tasks as well. You simply use your everyday language to chat and see what Copilot can do for you. So that's it for this video, but jump in and explore everything else that you can do with Copilot as well.